Decoding indefinite in English. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving deep into a term you've probably come across in your English studies, indefinite. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what it means and how it's used in the English language. Indefinite comes from the word define. When something is not clearly defined or specified, it is indefinite. In English, we often use this term to refer to something that is vague or not clearly established. For example, I have an indefinite amount of time to finish this task. Meaning, I don't know exactly how much time I have. In English grammar, you might have come across indefinite articles. These are the words a and in. They are called indefinite because they don't specify which particular item we're talking about. For instance, I have a book. Any book, not a specific one. She is an artist. Any artist, not a specific one. Another important concept in English is indefinite pronouns. These are pronouns that do not refer to a specific person, place, or thing. Examples include someone, anyone, nothing, and everything. Someone left their jacket here. Nothing is impossible. Can anyone answer this question? Now that we know what indefinite means, let's see how it can be used in daily conversations. 1. When you're unsure about time, the meeting might go on for an indefinite period. 2. Describing non-specific items. There are indefinite possibilities ahead. 3. Speaking about availability. The offer is available for an indefinite period. And there we have it. The term indefinite plays a crucial role in the English language, helping us express vagueness or non-specificity. We hope this video has shed light on its meaning and usage. Keep practicing, and you'll master the nuances of this term in no time. Happy learning!